Where you gonna see? I just think you're gonna see if you can get that window down, like with like a wire or something, to get that window down where I can get a little air sometimes. You want to look at it? All you gotta do is pour with that black card. See that black card?
Hey guys, it's Kimmy. I'm back with another video. Today I am, going into my house.
Put it up here on the table.
This is trash.
Put it up here on the table.
Oh.
Because I don't know what it is. Hello? What's up?
I don't even know what that was. What? I'm making a YouTube video. Hey guys, it's Kim. Yeah. I'm back with another video. Okay, so my mom left. Let's get on Roblox. And first, you guys are coming with me. I left my slime in the freezer for a few minutes. I left my slime in the freezer for 24 hours. Here it is. I'm gonna see if I can play with it. Got my scissors right here if it's hard to play. Oh, damn. I think I messed it up. Yeet, yeet. It's soft up here. Oh, oh, yay! Look how hard it is. It looks so soft from your guys' angle. Like frozen. Not the one that saved the Elsa. Shoo. It's a whole black. Touch. Is there a hot refrigerator? We got to put this outside. I'll put this outside. Maybe coming off also. I'll put this outside and see you guys later. Bye guys.